Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. No, I know I'm like 3 days late, but guess what? You're still getting a video, so hush up. Shut up. Yeah, that's nothing, just zip it. Yeah, you're still getting the video. Anyhow, today I'm going to teach you how to do something. I have my laptop right there and I'm going to teach you how to do something. Now, you know in my previous video, not previous, but previous, like past, yeah, video, I stated the ways that you can apply for H-2B, and I only went step by step with the DOL side, but this time I'm going to talk about Seasonal Connect. Now, Seasonal Connect is another website where employers goes on there and put out their thing and you can apply directly. Now, you can set up a profile and use it from time to time. You can use it if you set it up last year, you have it still this year and you would have to update it. Like your present work or your previous work or work that's not on it, you update it. So it's going to always be there. It's like an online resume. And you can use both that and your resume. So if you want to fill out all of that and then have your nice fancy resume at the add your fancy resume, then you can do that. And I am going to teach you how to set that up so that you can apply, because I realize that there's a lot of employers posting stuff there and you don't have to wait until they drop stuff on DOL. Okay? Now, if this is the first time on my channel and you always watch and you're not subscribed, like, we're gonna take out of you for subscribe, it's free. Like, me literally say oh now watch it and I'm not subscribing. Like, I have 80% watching versus those who subscribe. So if you're not subscribed, just subscribe. It's free. It's not going to take nothing out of you. Subscribe. Like the video and turn on the post notification. So whenever I release a video, you will be the first to know. And for all of my holies, my Vanessa bless, yeah, nobody can contest, well, come back. Yeah. Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. My name is Nadine Patrick, and I'm calling from the Saga Hotel. Is this Lisa?
Yes, it is.
Hi, how are you? So I received your resume, which is very nice. I like it, interesting.
Thank you.
Are you still interested in working with us for the summer?
Yes, that's the server position, right?
A server?
Yes.
So we don't have a position for a server.
And what position do you have open?
This is housekeeping. Server position is Phil.
Okay. I was more interested in the serving position.
Okay, that's all right.
Do you have supervisor, housekeeping, housekeeping lead, housekeeping coordinator?
Okay, so supervisor, I think yes, we do need supervisor. However, I'm not going to commit to that yet. I will have to talk to Carrie about it first.
Okay, because I would be more interested in that because I'm present doing that, and I've done it before, so I have experience in that.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to say yes. I'm going to put you down for supervisor. However, I'm going to just talk with Carrie about it.
Understand.
Yeah, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. So I'll get back to you probably Monday because it's weekend and we are having a ice bar function this weekend, so we'll be very busy over the weekend. So I'll get back to you Monday.
Okay, sure. I'll wait for the call.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Like, guys, I'm literally not answer the call. They're like, I'm literally not answer it because a pure scammers a call. Pure scammers a call. And then when I see them, I say New York, I'm saying, okay, let me give it a try. Sometimes when you answer the scammer, then when I just play with them. So I answer it and look at that right in front of the video. Guys, the offers are going out. So I didn't apply for housekeeping and don't apply for housekeeping because you guys know that I don't really like housekeeping. So I've been applying for serving and just serving and bartender. Yeah, that's all I've been applying for. But you see how you can talk to them, because she's offering me a housekeeping position, and I was like, I don't want to do that. But do you have the supervisor position? I'll definitely do that. So she's gonna reach out back to me, and you guys saw that I got a call, okay? So you know, say it legit. Anyhow, like that was so unplanned. It wasn't. Yeah. Anyway, I am happy. So as I was saying, I'm gonna do a step-by-step seasonal connect. Now I already have my profile, so I'm just gonna show you like the basic stuff and then bring you into my profile so that I can show you what to do and how to apply for it. So yeah. And guys, do you even see that the lady said, oh, I am so impressed with your resume? Like she said, I am so impressed with your resume. I don't even remember where she called me from. I know it's New York, but I don't remember what this. She needs a server right there. Anyhow, yeah. Okay, so first you're gonna go to www.seasonalconnect.com. Now let me go to the main page first. So this is it, seasonalconnect.com. Alright, and then you're gonna see this portal right here, and just look on it, browse on it, yeah, and then you go back up. Now if you're an employer, just in case an employer is watching me, I want to know what is seasonal connect and how can I engage with the employees or the potential employees. Yes, you can also use this. So you would go to organization and go to sign up. Alright, now for us, which is the H-2B person that wants a job, then you're going to go to workers right here, and then you're going to click sign up. Alright, now when you click that, a list of things going to come up, and then you go put in your personal information, which is your first name, your last name, email address, birth country, where you're citizen of, and what are you what are you interested in. Like, you're going to click if you want to be at the back of the house, front of the house, cleaning, grounds. So front of the house would probably be like serving, front decks and all those stuff. Back of the house would be like cooking, laundry, those things. Cleaning would be housekeeping. So you would click all of these stuff if you are interested. So you can click more than one. She's calling back. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, it's me again. So I didn't have to think about it for too long, and I do not want to turn down this position for you being a supervisor. I'm just going to offer you the position, and then I'm going to run it by Carrie.
That sounds so awesome. Thank you.
So I have a few questions.
Go ahead.
So are you currently on a extension?
Yes, I'm on an extension. My first extension.
Your first, so
yes.
Coming here would be your second.
Yes.
Awesome. And when does your visa and the petition that you're on, when does it end?
So this one is in July the 31st. However, they said that we can leave earlier if we want.
Okay. And Carrie might need a letter, the release form from your HR. Would that be okay?
Yes, it would be. I can contact her.
Okay, alright. Yeah, because what we don't want is when we need you, because our petition does start April 1st through November 30th, and we want to be fair in the fact that we don't want to take you when they need you, because when we need you, we don't want you to say, oh, our hotel need us, so we have to go.
The thing is, before we got when we got here, we actually explained all this to them, because we know that most employer wants person between April and May, and we expressed this to them, and they said once we stick it out until like after Easter, it'll be fine, because Florida is mostly slow in the summer.
Yeah.
So that's okay.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Will call you and with some follow-up. But thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great one.
Thanks, you too. Bye.
Bye. Like, guys, that I really love all of this. Like, Anyway, guys, I'm so sorry about that. You know, see, she called me back. Like, this is why I can't stress enough. Ensure that your resume is on point. She said my resume was looking so good, and then she called me back and she was like, imagine she called me for a housekeeping. I'm like, oh, I don't want that. I want the housekeeping supervisor. She called me back. She was like, I'm not gonna call you back until Monday. And she was like, I can't resist. I have to call you back. Like, guys, and I may not take it, I may not take it, but just showing you all this. Anyway, yes, then you're gonna do all those stuff. Then you're gonna put your current address wherever you're staying. You can probably even use an US address if you want, if you're in Jamaica, alright? And you can use your home address, nothing is wrong with that. Then you're gonna ask you your visa information. Do you know or will you in the future need sponsorship? Which is yes, you're gonna need sponsorship. So you see, if you're even looking for a J1, you can come on here for a J1. Alright, you currently have H-2B or a J1. So this is for those who are already on the program. So probably you're seeking a extension, then you can click yes. If not, no, you don't have. Then you're gonna create your password. Alright, now remember I told you that I did all of this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sign in and then I'm gonna show you everything. Okay, like I don't know, I really wish I remember the name of the company. Like I don't. Anyway, alright, so as you reach on here, you'll see like a dashboard, employer search, job search, resource, event, about, frequently asked question, contact. You know, if you want any more information, you click those stuff. Then you're gonna see right here most recent job posts. So as you can see, the post cook, the post servers, housekeeping, landscape, all of these stuff. These are the most recent jobs that's post. I don't know if I'm moving too fast, but just catch up, okay? Alright, so now you're gonna go to account and you're gonna create like edit profile. So you're gonna create, like when you go in, you sign up the first time, they're gonna ask you like to create a profile, and then you're gonna do this. So this is the profile. So you're gonna have your information, which is your first name, last name, and all of the other stuff. And then you're gonna go into experience, and as you can see, all of my experiences there. I work at Sugar Bush, and they put the first one that you work at the top. I don't know why, but that's how they do it right here. And then you're going to put in your information. Basically, they're going to ask for your employers. They're going to ask for the job title. So if you're working at Mandarin Oriental as a housekeeper, then you're going to put the description. And guys, don't just put on stupid things. You can even use Google and just type into Google and say, what's the description of a housekeeper? Copy and paste. Nobody copy word for word, but put it in your own words. Yeah. And if you're not doing everything, just take out what you're not doing and put what you're actually doing, okay? Then you're going to put when you started work. Now, this is for those who are already on extension. Now, if you're in Jamaica and you're doing this, then you're going to put the work start. You're going to put when you're finished. That's if. So, if you're presently in the job, then you don't need to put nothing. And it's going to ask you your reason for leaving. Now, as an extensioner, I don't even know that's the word, you're gonna put contract ended or move on to better, like the reason, right? Whether you get fired, but I wouldn't suggest you put fired, you understand? Then you can put the city, the state, and the country. So you can select if you're in Jamaica, Cayman, US, Dubai, everything, just do that. And then you hit save. And then you're gonna input them one. You realize how much I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this one come twice, I don't know why. But 6 jobs. I didn't even put everything. I put mostly those the jobs that I did in the state. I didn't put anything that I did in Jamaica because I look for a job. Jamaica job now have nothing to do with when me at the up here. Like I was just doing clerk and all them something that I have no relevance right here. So that's what I did. Then now you're gonna go over to education, and then you put in your school, you put in your major, you're gonna put in the description of studies. So whether you're doing CXC or you did a degree, you're gonna just put a little description. You don't have to be word for word. Then you're gonna put your start date, the end date, and all those stuff. Because as you can see, I have one here. I have university college, which I put right there, and then I put my study major, which is bachelor degree. Never really put in the description, you know, like, I don't know, probably I did, I don't know. Certification, I didn't put nothing for certification because I already done put it in the school, so I'm gonna need to put it right here. So then you're gonna put a picture. Now this is the picture that I use. It's facing forward. I am smiling, I look happy, and I am okay with it. So that's what I did. Videos, not really upload no videos. You don't need to upload the videos. If you want to be more out there, you can do a video and just say, hey, I am this is what I do, I like to do, blah blah blah. You can do all those stuff, but you know, I'm not doing that. No, then this is where you come to put in your resume. So remember, you're going to have an updated resume. So if you come next year, you're going to update the present resume and come back here again and upload it, because I had a different resume last year. It's the same, but I had to update it and then I put it in here. You're going to give it a title. So what I did was put V-La-Nessa Palmer, because on my one CV I'm gonna make it public because I want the employers them to see it. And yeah, if you want to be private, you can make it private, but I made my one public so that the employers, when they come, they can look at my resume and call me if they want, or you know, they don't have to go through the portal resume, but go through my resume. No references, I didn't really put no references. I'm not putting no references, but I implore you to put at least one references. Don't follow me, put references, okay? And then after you did all of that, you're gonna view your profile and you'll see something like this, and you see, go down in details, my skills, my award, my cert. You see everything. You see my Facebook handles, because I put all of this stuff on it. They had questions that they asked me, and I answered, and basically that's it. Alright, now you're not gonna make your own boring like mine. You're not going to make it boring, you're going to make it really good. And remember guys, so this is just a example I am showing you. Now you done all this, say you done all this and you want to look for the job. No, I am showing this because you have to do this in order to look the job. Kind of makes sense. You know, have a profile, because guess what, we're going to apply twice to some of these jobs. Right now, when you go on to job search, you're going to see industry, job title, position, seasonal connect, and all these stuff. You can filter it if you want. If you don't really have a preference, you just click search, and when you click search, you're going to see everything come up. You see the state, you see the position. So this is servers from Hubert's New York Club. Now we're going to open this. Alright, when we open this, then you're gonna scroll down and you'll see like when they need you, the descriptions, the positions that they have. So even though they posted serving, they have bartender position, they have front desk, they have housekeeping, they have line cook, and they have service. So you can apply for all of these things, okay? And then you can also see more about them. They ask, you can read more about them. It asks you how to apply. You can go on their website, and then that's that. So I clicked it because they had a lot of positions. Alright, so because it has 5 jobs opening positions, alright, it tells us that it's accepting American citizens, and it's accepting H-2B, which is in country, me. It's accepting J1 visas. And you can press this to see more description, which there's none, and then you're going to click apply. Alright, now you see all this, you see the job duties, you see everything. I click apply now. Now as you can see, this is my resume that I created on the portal. All of this comes up, everything that I input came up, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert my resume. Alright, so take notes. It says, would you like to include your resume in this application, which is the resume that I uploaded? And I click yes, because I really like this one when we create, but I want them to the other resume. Then first you're going to do review application. So you want to see, sometimes they have like, each employers have like a specific question that they want to ask apart from the general. So if you click review and you didn't answer the question, and it will take you back to answer that question. So this one is fine. They're okay with the general. So it says your application is now ready to be submitted, and I click submit. Alright, so here am I applying right before your eyes for a server position in New York. Alright, now I'm just going to return back to job listing. Alright, go back. Now, bartender, maybe I should apply for the bartender position. I don't really have experiences. Alright, so what I normally do, let me show you. So instead of getting out of this and going back and going out and going back, I would just left click this. What is this? Right click and then open a new tab. So when I open a new tab, I have it right here and I can go back here. So I normally just go down the line, look for the position that I want. So this is server Baltimore, open, and then it's a country club. I already applied for this though. I did. Now if you open it, you see everything. So they want bartender, servers and cook. And it tells you when they need people, like me, between May to October. And guys, as you can see right here, the email is right here. So remember I tell you that you're going to apply twice. So you're going to copy this email, right? And then you're going to copy the email, and then you're going to go to see all jobs. See, they have servers and all these stuff. And you're going to click apply here. This is one. This is the email that we just copied. Then we're going to open our email address because we're going to apply it twice. If they don't get it online, they must get it somewhere else, right? So we're going to paste it right here, and we'll come back because, you know, there's going to be a possibility that we're going to find more emails, right? And then we did that. Then we're going to click apply. Okay, then you see position them come up, my resume come up, add this, review, and then hit submit. There you go. 1 2 3, I have applied. Then you exit that. Remember, I have that. So this is the bartender position. I'm going to apply for it because I'm just going to apply. Wait, include resume, review, and then submit. Okay, so guys, it's basically this. So you're just gonna go, always just go through it. It's like they posted. Let me go back. There you go. As you can see, you see the position, you see the city, you see the state, you see the industry. Like if it's a club, if it's a ski place, you'll see. You see others, you see hotel, like you see everything, and you can apply to all these stuff. Like there's a lot of things right here. Now, as I said, if you just want to narrow it down, so let's say we're just going to focus on the summer 2023, and then we're going to search. So it's going to narrow it down. So you're going to get rid of the winter, and then you're going to see it narrows down. Okay, so that's that. There's one for Vermont. That is how you apply, guys. So we're going to do this, and we're going to do the DOL. So guys, if you have not yet watched the step-to-step process in applying for the H-2B program, follow this video. This video is more detailed as it relates to understanding more. Now this is for those who are lazy, right? Now not everything is on there is on this, and not everything is on this is on there. So it's good to know both of them. So you're gonna come here, you're gonna apply here, you're gonna go there and apply there. Now, as I said, you're gonna apply twice. Some of them is gonna give you a option where you have to go onto their website and apply. Right? Take a look at time and apply. Right? Some of them will allow you to apply right here, while some of them will not have the email address, so you cannot apply twice. But just go through the thing, read the thing, understand the thing, right? Because you want the job, right? If you want the job, you're gonna put in the work, right? So stop complaining about you not getting a positive response. Hey, remember, 99, no, 1 yes you need, because you cannot work at 99 company. You understand? You have to only work at one. So if you send out 100 and you get one response, you win. Because guess what? That one response is where God wants to send you. Okay? And when you go there and if it's terrible, God will teach you something. So just sit down and learn what you need to learn. Okay? Right. So go through this and whatever. So my next video, I think I'm just going to teach people how to file taxes. Because I'm going to teach you how to file taxes in my next video. I may have one vlog I'm going to edit. So may I work on that too. But I'm going to get this out today. Let me see. Today is the 21st of January. And I'm going to get it out today so that you guys can start your online application and fill out your resume and apply to all these jobs. Okay, so this is me letting you on the loop. Not many persons going to tell you how to. Okay, so, and guys, as I said, if you create your profile now, it's going to be there next year, the year after. So just take the time out and just do a good profile and done. Don't follow me, do a good profile and done. And as you can see that people are actually calling, and the call is actually an interview. This is what is so funny, because when people think of interview, people think of it as serious, right? Yes, it is serious, but America don't take it that serious. So that call is actually an interview. They wanted to know about me, to know the visa situation, and as I said, she's extending an offer. She's extending an offer, and I'm glad you are here to witness that. So guys, yeah, anyway, if this video treats you well, subscribe, and it is now the end of January, so I should do a live soon, and you need to put on golden at the bottom of the comment. And yeah, and as I said before, for each video you get an entry. Okay, and if you're not subscribed, you're not going to get it. And if you subscribe on the day, you're not going to be qualified, period. But let's see how well I can maneuver my time this month. So thank you guys for always coming back. Thank you for all your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.